up, large group outside the door. Get your weapons ready.
Are we killing them?
No. This is quesadillas, snacks, drinks.
I'll definitely be back to this.
Snacks, drinks, quesadillas. Yes. Why don't we do that? Fuck it. Let's move it. You got porn? Maybe. I gotta have You say corner. Hey.
What?
Tighten this, you gotta just twist it that way.
Seems pretty tight.
You're gonna have to leave your guns at the door.
Sorry, Todd.
I go through the other door.
Yeah, we don't got anybody on that door.
It's a little windy for the freaking umbrella.
Hey, I got this table to the front door.
Yo, who moved the stove?
Me.
Yeah,
It's on right now.
It's not on.
Wait, I turned the stove on.
And he shut it off. What are you
Oh,
doing?
okay.
Yeah, bring it that way. Yeah, I agree. People think that the traffic doors with that.
That sounds best. Hey, watch out. Josh.
Yeah, Josh, you wanna step outside?
I would block that door. This is getting a lot more traffic.
Oh yeah, this is good. I like this.
This one.
Yeah, but we want the traffic here so people can see what we're doing.
Oh, you're gonna sell from here.
Yeah.
You can sell this. You could actually see.
All right, let's move these boxes over there and the stove.
And the chips, everything.
We gotta find a way to block this door off. So. Yeah, move the wagon over there for now. I think that'll help. And then we'll put this trash over here.
Let's put it outside. I'll put the trash can outside.
One of them.
Yeah.
Keep the other one off
No. What kind of music do we want? Yeah. Yep.
I got a song I want to play.
So,
Alright, Kevin.
I'll
Get
get the
up.
mascot out there too.
Should we leave
Actually,
the...
let's prop the mascot up in the window so they can't shoot through it.
Tony, should I leave the spare supplies?
George, get over here.
Yeah, grab a few and so.
Hot. Through again. Coming through.
Yeah,
Hot.
we'll leave it in there. But, I mean, this is what it looks like. Take it back later. Huh? Trying to put him in the window.
Thank you, though.
Yes, he is. No! Ever vigilant. George is down! George is down!
Alright.
Alright, so all the snack items, 5.
5.
The more expensive stuff,
Powerade 8. Water 2.
yeah.
Everything else 10, 5. Okay.
Quesadillas will do 5, and just fold it over and make it a half. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So 1 shell per quesadilla.
1 shell per quesadilla. If they want a double, then it's double price.
Okay.
We can make it like that. You'll just have to flip it. You know what I mean?
Okay. Is this on?
I don't know.
touch it.
No, it's off. You gotta light it. You gotta light it first, dude.
Hey, we got quesadillas, drinks, snacks. $5 for snacks. How much are quesadillas?
5.
$5 for a quesadilla. All right.
I smell it.
It's in-game money, not real dollars. Oh, okay, yeah.
Is it working? Yeah, it's on. It's on.
Yeah, I can smell the shit.
Put it on medium.
Hello, guys.
In knowledge of who by chance has the perks.
No.
I heard there's someone with actual like perk cans, or not perk cans, perk bottles.
We got Rice
Oh.
Krispie treats.
The chemist. The chemist might be.
Ooh. Okay.
Haven't. We've been in here the
He's
whole time.
wandering, so I have a feeling
But when you guys get hungry later on, we're gonna be selling fresh quesadillas. I know, sir. I know. Come on back.
I'll be back when I can smell
We got all sorts of.
Yo, you got Red Bull? How much?
10.
He's like, and that's gonna go quick. He's like, shut up and take my money.
Blue's 10, right?
Yeah, blue's 10, or we'll do 2 reds, or whatever.
Fitting.
We can do however.
Fitting a blue for a blue.
Yeah.
Separate can. Thank you.
Write it down.
No problem,
or
sir.
Knife it in on the wall.
It is our building, I guess. We can do that.
Yep. I'm gonna dull my knife out real fast.
I do have a sharpener.
With you?
Yeah.
Okay. Josh is fucking.
Now, when do we go around robbing shit?
Hey, we don't speak about that out loud when there's customers around, dude.
There's no customers.
Alright, well, we'll start going.
Tobin, you got your phone in you?
Yeah. I will. Tony, how are we doing this?
We're gonna take shifts.
No, I mean, doing this.
Just whatever,
I'm
take.
having trouble connecting to your device.
Shut up.
Make sure your speaker is paired, and then restart the UE app. I'm having trouble connecting to your device. Make sure your
I tried drilling it out,
and then
too.
restart the UE app.
Never mind, Tony. That's gonna take way too long.
Alright, now it's
I covered a dick in the wall.
And be careful, that is hot, just so you know.
There we go.
spontaneous combusts.
Alright, you're still using the knife? Yeah.
Speaker's pairing.
Where's my ghetto ass shit?
I charged it yesterday and I haven't used it, so it should work.
Can you tell Tony I'm gonna go out and sell some?
Sure.
Yeah.
HB underneath Toy Maker is the speaker.
Kevin, where's my chair?
Off your ass.
I drilled this one out a little bit too because it was doing it a little. I'm hoping it didn't fuck it up in the process, but
It
we'll
should.
find out.
Okay, and then what should I make a meal pack? Like a choice of drink, Coke, Capri Sun,
Capri Sun or Coke, and then
bag of chips, and a quesadilla?
you get a speaker. We could do that for 15.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Artwork. Well, actually, that would be the same price as normal. We can do that for 12.
I say 14.
Save them a buck.
Yeah.
All right. I'll put my suppressor in here.
I'm also willing to hear bargains.
So I saw trucks come down the road when I was, but I'm like, I have no idea where they went. Working good now?
Finish with my Odin?
Yes.
Here.
I actually no.
What do you mean no?
I need to load this man.
How many did you use?
Just enough for a max.
Damn.
All right, but for $10, you got to make them bigger than that. No.
Oh, just a spatula then.
We're gonna cook with that one. So my ghetto dump pouch isn't working.
I told you it wouldn't.
Man, if
Well,
only
I just need to
somebody
tape it
would've
to my
won.
belt. If somebody's got tape, I'll be good.
Electrical tape.
Here,
Give me electrical tape.
I have electrical tape and duct
Duct
tape.
tape, give me duct tape. It'll work for that. Yes, and it's silver. Yes, let's go. Drink snacks. Oh shit. What the fuck? Go.
Quesadillas, snacks.
I've got.
I'm going broke.
You're going broke.
I'm going wandering a little bit.
Hi.
Hello.
We got food. Quesadillas will be ready in a few. If you're wanting one of those.
Do we like give you chips for that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In-game
In-game
currency.
currency. Now we're back in character.
Not that I'm going to. Are we allowed to like rob you?
Nope. Can't
Not,
steal our stuff.
not for these, no.
You can steal
No,
our
not
money.
that stuff. I meant just
You
for
could,
chips.
yeah. I mean,
Oh, yeah, you
try.
could.
I
I'm not going
recommend
to.
it.
Yeah.
I just wanted to know. I was curious.
We're not with him. He robs you.
I'm not a bad guy. I just wanted to know.
That's not sketchy at all. Yep. Alright. We got that. How's the loading going? Huh? Cool.
This guy walked up by the door. He's like waving his pistol around like this. I'm
Hey,
like,
watch it.
oh
We
my
got a large
God.
group coming up. Or 4.
Yeah, same. I want to fucking shoot somebody.
You will. You
Hey,
want
we
me to
got
take the
quesadillas, snacks, drinks, just about anything you can think of.
We got Red Bull and Monster too.
And quesadillas.
They actually let you have a propane stove?
It's not a
You
stove.
see this?
It's a griddle.
You seeing this?
It's a griddle.
It's a griddle.
It's a propane griddle.
Okay,
You guys
food
got any
certs?
quests?
Huh?
Hill in here.
Yeah,
Nothing?
we got food service.
Man.
You're gonna get hungry later. Come by.
What's going on over here?
You have a piece of paper?
No.
I don't know, I was thinking about bringing a notebook. That would have been really smart.
Yeah, we
That
can put
would've-
prices on the
Uh-huh.
wall.
Oh damn, this is pretty tall. I didn't realize how fucking tall.
We could
this
write
is.
on the plates.
Yeah.
We could write on the plate.
I would
Oh,
write
yeah.
on the plate. Or a plate. Yeah, right on a plate.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah,
Like,
sure.
tape a plate.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
We got a little store.
Store.
Yeah. We're gonna have fresh baked quesadillas in a little bit too.
I have no currency whatsoever.
Ah. well,
Unfortunate.
you know, there's plenty of ways to earn that around here. Come back later if you're hungry. You will be.
Work for us for an income.
You do that too. Or work for food, not income. Work for food.